Here is a search engine optimization tip that is guaranteed to help your site earn a #1 page ranking for Google. And that tip is, write an optimized article about a keyword that is relevant to your website. Now, I'm talking about a good 500 to 700 word article with good content. Not a spun article, not a PLR article, but a good article with great content. Once you get that article written around that super keyword, there's 5 things you need to do to optimize it on site, to excite those spiders when they come by and look at your website. 5 things are: take that super keyword that you wrote that article about and put it in the key meta tags, article title, once in the first paragraph of the article, put it in the URL structure of the article, and make sure it's in the internal link text that will link it to the article from the website. Now, these 2 through 5 are fairly easy to understand, but let's take a look at step number 1, the meta tags. There are 3 very, very important meta tags that you want to make sure you get that keyword into the right way. Of 3 types. You have a title meta tag, a description meta tag, and a keyword meta tag. The title meta tag should have no more than 70 characters. It should accurately describe the web page. And you make sure that you place that target keyword at the beginning of the tag. And then make sure that it's readable. Now, there's a format. There's several different formats you can use. Here are 2 suggested ones. That is the primary keyword with the secondary related phrase, or the primary keyword plus a descriptor. Now, here's 2 examples. Primary keyword of woodshed plans, and you have a secondary related phrase of designs and blueprints. Do the same thing down here with the descriptor. Woodshed plan step by step. Here's some more examples of other descriptors. It can be step by step, it can be tips, guidelines, formula, or blueprint. What things do is just add a little bit to the tag, the title tag, and it makes it more attractive to the spiders when they come by. Next is the title tag, the description tag. Description tag should be no more than 155 characters. And they're no longer counted by Google, but they're important in gaining clicks from Google. And the description tag is merely a description of your site. But you want to make sure that you get the targeted keyword at the beginning of the description. Keyword tag is fairly understandable. You just want to put your target keyword in there and make sure that it is the first one. If you have others you want to put them in there after the main one. And these are what your 3 meta tags will look like. The title tag, an example of woodshed plans, construction guidelines. A description tag, where you explain what it is. Keywords, where you put your keywords in there, making sure you put your targeted keyword in there in the beginning. So write that article. Do these 5 things, and you will help your website go to page 1 in Google if you write it correctly. Now, if you want to know more about how to optimize your site and many, many more things about internet marketing, go to the link down below. There's a treasure trove of information that can help you make more money in internet marketing if that is your intention. Go ahead and just click on it, and to the site where it'll give you much more information, more specific information on how to optimize your website.